Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will go over our new feature for your clients, the ability to do a batch upload in the client portal. This feature is very similar to how the batch upload works in your caseworker portal. This means, rather than have your clients upload documents one by one, they can grab a group of documents from their desktop or phone, drag it, and from there upload to the client portal. Let us take a look. Let us pretend we are your clients logging into the client portal. You can send them credentials from the caseworker portal, specifically the client access tab of their client profile. Once they log in, they will see the homepage of the client portal. We will first show you how they can upload multiple documents at once, which will automatically go into the client profile. Later in the video, we will show you how you can share specific items in the client and case profile, such as a document checklist, and when the clients upload that document, it will go directly into that area. Let us click on the Shared Documents icon. From here, we will click on Upload a Document. A pop-up will appear. From here, you can open a window from your desktop that leads you to the documents. Once you've located them, highlight all of them and drag them into the batch upload. Once uploaded there, you will see a drop-down menu next to each file. When clicked, you will see New Client Documents. Once you make the selection to each document, you will finalize by clicking the Upload button. The client has now uploaded those documents and will now appear in the client's profile, specifically in the Other section located in the Documents tab. This avoids having them emailing the image files. All can be done through here. Your clients can also upload documents when answering questionnaires. If we visit a questionnaire and scroll down, you will see an Add Documents tab. If clicked, it will open the batch upload to upload in very similar fashion. Please note that the client can upload numerous files through here. There are no limits to how many documents they can upload at once, but be aware, each document may not be bigger than 20 megabytes, similar to the limits placed by an email provider when sending an email. Now that we have seen how a client can upload numerous documents at once, which will go into the client's profile, let us see how you can share things like a document checklist from a case profile, and once added there, the client can upload it directly to that section. Let us first access the case profile in the caseworker portal. From inside the case profile, you will go to the Documents tab and once expanded, select Documents again. You are now at the area where you can create a document checklist. Some of you might already have items created here, as this section can be customized in the Admin Tools page, specifically the area to customize case processes. If you do not have a default checklist, you can still create them here one by one. You will click on Add Document. You will give it a name. You can decide who you received it from, share it with the client, and finally upload the document yourself. For the purpose of this video, we will simply add the name and click on Save. The item has now been added to the list. Once you have all documents required, you will want to share this list with the client. To do so, you can click on the checkboxes to the left and proceed to click on Share with Client. A pop-up will appear to select who to send this to. Once you've selected the client, you can proceed to share. You have now shared the document checklist, and your clients can now see this in the client portal. Additionally, you have the option of clicking Email to send an email to the client, letting them know that there are new shared documents for them to review. Let us now go back into the client portal, pretending we are the client. As we saw earlier, we will click on Shared Documents tab. We will drag some files onto the batch upload. Once listed, we will click on the drop-down menu. We will now see new options besides New Client Document. Every item in your document checklist has now been added. You will go one by one selecting the one that applies. Once they click Upload, the file has now been uploaded and will be sent specifically into the Documents tab of the case profile and into each section you have in the document checklist. This feature functionality, sharing a document for your client to upload the image file, works on multiple areas of the client profile and case profile. This concludes our video on batch uploads through the client portal. Hit the subscribe button to be alerted when new videos come out and be informed of new features like this one. Thank you for watching.